How to block someone in TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I will be guiding you on how to block someone in TikTok. To begin, open your TikTok app by clicking on its icon. Once the app is successfully opened, go to the For You page, where you can find different options like inbox, plus icon, home and profile icon. So if you want to block someone from your inbox, go to the inbox and click on the chat with the person you want to block. Now as you can see, the chat has been opened with the person you want to block. Here you can see 3 dots in the top right corner. Click on that. In this interface, you can see the block option. Tap on it. There you go, you have successfully blocked someone on TikTok. That's wrap for today. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.